Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I dupe the Z Gallerie wall art wall decor using Dollar Tree products. So right here, you see me, I'm making my frames. I need 5 frames for this. I chose to use Jenga blocks. I felt they were cheaper and then I could do any size I wanted to. I just wanted to do the small frame. I've seen this made with picture frames. I just found this was more economical to make my own frames using Jenga blocks because I use 2 boxes for the Jenga, that's just $2. So if you buy frames at the Dollar Tree, if you buy frames, they're going to be 5 frames. That's $5 plus everything else. So I felt as though this was a more economical way for me to make it. And the key right here I'm doing is I'm just making sure the outer surface of each frame is completely straight. Because for the most part, that's what's going to probably be looked at more likely than anything. Once it's hung on the wall, you're going to make sure that it's straight. You will see an imperfection if that outer frame isn't straight. Right here, I'm doing some measurements. I'm just making sure each frame is 1 inch away, those 4 frames. And this is my first video, guys. Please bear with me. They are 1 inch. When I looked at this video, I was like, oh my God, it doesn't look even, but it really is even. It's just the way I have the video angle. It actually made me look up at the wall art on the wall to see if it was actually, I'm like, oh, okay, that's just the way I'm shooting. So I'm just measuring to make sure everything's evenly spaced. And I'll be marking that center frame because I'm going to put glue there because that one frame is going to hold all 4 of those frames together. So I'm using my Gorilla Wood Glue just to do that and secure it. So right here, as you can see, I have one of my colors that I do use is black painted, and I'm putting my diamond bling wrap on top. My first intentions were just to do that top surface. Each piece I layered on, I just said, you know what? I'm going to do all surfaces. And that's just basically what I do. And I'm sitting there, I'm just rubbing in the E6000. I didn't want it to be gloopy. So when I touch that top surface of the mesh wrap, it's coming through. I also hate that. So I had to rub it in just to get it evenly spread it throughout. And that's basically what I did right here. I did all surfaces, all sides, with the exception of the middle, because I will be putting a mirror there in the middle, as I'm showing you right there. So, yeah, basically, it's basically done. I just want to lift that mirror up. I don't want it to be sunken in. So I'm just taking some more Jenga blocks. I'm going to use my wood glue. And then with the mirror, I'm going to use E6000 to glue the mirror. But wood to wood, I use my wood glue, period. When it comes down to gluing any wood to anything, I'm using the wood glue for the most part. That wood glue, once you do a couple little dabs, you're talking maybe 20 minutes for a good bond. After that, I have to go to my E6000 with the mirror so I can get a secure hold with that E6000. And it's just a matter of just waiting till everything dries so I can hang it up. And that would be that. So right here, I'm just finishing up, taking some of the glue strings off and hanging her up. And there she is, hung up. Just went another way with it. Beautiful. If you like, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day, guys.